Hi guys, welcome back. In the earlier video, we discussed about how to work with parameter sets using the help system, what are parameter sets, and how to actually take advantage of a parameter set, what happens if we combine the parameter set in a command syntax. In this video, I would like to discuss about help system in the examples format, full format, and detailed format. So let's take a look at examples for get service in the help document. For that, I'm going to issue get help space get service hyphen examples. So this is going to show me all the examples available for this particular command. These are the predefined examples. If you want to know how to issue this command in various ways, what are the possible ways available to work with this command? Maybe these are limited examples, but you can use the command in several other ways also. If you understand how to use this commandlet using these examples, you can manipulate it much more and get the desired result, get the result that you wanted. So first example says a simple plain get service command. There's nothing else. In the second example, get services that begin with the search string. As we did in the get command, what they have done is get service using a set string WMI asterisk, they're trying to find the services. If you issue this command, the commandlets with WMI as the keyword will be returned. Example 3, display services that include a search string. So this is about the service name, actual name, and the third example actually searching through the display name using the keyword. Any of the services which have display name having the keyword network will be retrieved here. So likewise, you have about 11 or 12 examples defined here. You can actually use them. You can actually test them to see what are all results coming up with the respective examples. So let's see first three examples right now. So get service I'm going to issue. It's going to retrieve all the services for me. The second example is get hyphen service with the keyword WMI star. So it's going to show me the services with the name WMI, which has the keyword WMI. The third example is get service hyphen display name network as the keyword. So in this example, it searched through the display name column instead of the name column. I'm going to press enter now. So it has searched through all the services which has the network as keyword in the display name column and returned all the results. That's how you can actually work with the examples. So you can manipulate in any way possible. If you want to learn the PowerShell, it's the best way to actually work with the examples first and see how the commandlet is accepting inputs and how can you further modify the commandlet to get the expected result. So let's see the last example now. So this is how. So every format, every um, change in the commandlet has given us different result. It's not always the same. So um, you can take advantage of the help system and format your syntax so that you can get the desired result. You can sort the services as I mentioned in the example 9 or 10 based on their status. The services starting with S and based on their status. So this is how actually you can uh, work with the commandlets. So the for every commandlet, PowerShell provides examples. So you can look at those examples and format your syntax so that you can get the expected result. So this is how um, examples in the help system will be useful to you. I hope this is informative for you. In the next video, I'll discuss about the detailed help system. If you like the video, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.